Welcome to our deep dive into ChannelBuilderAI, a groundbreaking platform that's redefining how faceless video content is created and managed. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, ChannelBuilderAI offers a suite of tools designed to automate and enhance your video production process. With its dual applications, MagicFlixAI and FacelessReel, ChannelBuilderAI empowers users to generate unique AI-driven story scripts, lifelike voiceovers, and captivating visuals. Beyond creation, it automates scheduling, posting, and SEO optimization, ensuring your content reaches the right audience at the right time. And here's the exciting part. For a limited time, ChannelBuilderAI is offering exclusive launch day bonuses. These include 2025 YouTube SEO Cheat Sheet, a comprehensive guide on optimizing faceless videos for search, trend forecast report for faceless content, AI-driven insights on upcoming content trends across various niches, TikTok 2025 Optimizer Engine, tools to maximize TikTok video performance through optimal hashtags and descriptions, Whitelabel Rights to high CTR video thumbnails, premium clickbait-style thumbnails to boost engagement, Whitelabel Rights to YouTube channel, high-quality banners suitable for all kinds of channels, agency rights to ImagineAI, an AI image maker for creating standout images for various needs, TikTok Supercharger app, tool to scale TikTok channels by auto-posting viral content, AI Autoblogger, a tool to create high-quality, faceless blogs quickly and efficiently. These bonuses are available only during the launch period, so seize the opportunity to elevate your content creation game.
Introducing ChannelBuilderAI, the ultimate 3-in-1 AI faceless channel creation, automation, ranking, and training solution. First, as part of ChannelBuilderAI, you're getting MagicFlixAI. MagicFlixAI is more than just an AI video maker. It's the first entirely AI, congruent, unique channel creator. Now you can automate entire video channels with distinct styles and brands for perpetual traffic and authority. Get everything you need under one roof to create hundreds of AI video traffic channels. There's AI story script writing, AI human voiceovers, AI visuals, timeline editing, auto AI scheduling, auto AI posting in one. It only takes 4 easy steps to get massive results. First, just choose your video theme. Choose from manual mode, where you let AI craft any idea you have into a story script and video with detailed customization, or choose automatic mode, where you can create and post multiple videos on autopilot. Select where the videos will go, the type, and pick a ready-made theme like motivational, scary, or kid stories to create an AI congruent channel around. Then, add AI narrators and art styles. Select from ultra-realistic narrators for specific story styles. Add matching background music, and choose an AI art style like realism, Pixar, anime, fairy tale, and much more. Choose your duration and hit create. Next, customize your video. Preview the video and edit anything, such as the AI story script that gets generated. Or switch to advanced mode and use the point-and-click timeline editor to adjust slide times, add custom images, videos, stock images, or generate new AI images with custom prompts and characters. Add awesome effects or transitions to your video to make it really engaging, exciting, and fun. Exactly how you want. Then, auto-schedule and automate. Finally, auto-schedule and automate. View specific content calendars for each AI series you create to see when videos will be created and posted automatically if you choose automatic mode. Click any video to reschedule, download, or adjust. Bonus step: rank your video channels to guarantee results. Make sure your channel outranks competing channels by finding fresh topics and trends that relate to specific keywords to make viral videos around. Optimize your video by finding and adding the best long-tail keywords for your niche, seeing the value and competition scores. Find video titles for YouTube, TikTok, and other networks that will result in higher click-through rates and ranking just by entering the video's title or subject. Get far better descriptions to rank higher in search results and AI suggestions. Find the best Instagram, TikTok, and more hashtags for way more eyeballs for your specific video or channel. And best of all, create eye-popping video thumbnails with our AI YouTube Viral Thumbnail Optimizer in just a click. Some unique features no other app has include leverage full customization or automatic mode. Everything is here to create entire faceless video channels by hand or automatically. Use manual mode to tweak every video component precisely as you wish. from voiceovers to effects. Or let MagicFlixAI take care of it all, creating, scheduling, and posting videos automatically from a single channel theme. AI unique story script writing. Generate captivating scripts in any niche, whether horror stories, business success, motivational content, or children's tales. The AI scriptwriter creates scripts that hook viewers from the very first line. AI prompt writing technology. Have an idea for a unique story or video? Leverage the built-in prompt technology, and our AI will craft it into a masterful video script that will get views and clicks. Ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Choose from a wide range of ultra-realistic voices to narrate your stories, including different ages, ethnicities, and styles to suit every mood and video genre. Plus, add background music purposely created for different AI video story styles like bedtime, scary, motivational, and more. Video channel themes and series. Create specific videos or entire automated series of videos around specific built-in themes for your faceless channels. Pick from engaging DFY AI faceless channel themes like scary, motivational, bedtime stories, fun facts, and more. AI art themes and styles. Choose to create videos in a specific art style so the video and channel feel more cohesive and professional. Choose from tons of AI art styles like comic book, Disney, fairy tale, anime, and more. Easy timeline editor. Edit videos with complete drag and drop ease. Add, edit, or cut frames, scenes, effects, clips, or transitions in seconds, making the video exactly how you want if desired. Add custom AI images and video clips. Generate eye-catching AI images and add video clips anywhere in your videos if desired. Leverage detailed prompting for customized congruent AI image styles, characters, products, and more, so everything is exactly how you need. Amazing transitions and effects. Make your videos razzle-dazzle with amazing image and video effects to keep viewers hooked. Plus, choose from lots of video transitions for a professional high-end feel. Gigantic stock video and image asset library. Tap into a gigantic image library and video library. Add any non-AI images or videos to your creation if desired. Automatic scheduling and posting. MagicFlixAI schedules and posts your faceless videos for you, helping you grow your channels daily and effortlessly. Leverage a built-in content calendar to keep track of all your videos and when they will be posted. Create videos for any need and any network. MagicFlixAI creates any type of faceless video you want for any need, including story videos, ads, VSLs, content marketing, product promotion, and more. Create videos in dimensions suitable for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Get viral video content ideas. Let AI find tons of engaging video ideas based on a keyword, phrase, or URL you enter. Never run out of winning videos to make for your channel, and organize ideas by viral, engaging, trending, evergreen, and more. Tap into viral trends. Enter a keyword and let our AI find and suggest trending video ideas that relate to your keyword. Tap into viral trends and story ideas for faster growth and subscribers. Rank for untapped long-tail keywords. Optimize your video by finding and adding the best long-tail keywords for your niche, seeing the value and competition scores. Optimize titles for higher CTRs. Enter a sentence or previous video title and get suggestions on how to optimize it for higher rankings and far more clicks. Get better title suggestions and outrank the competition. Optimize descriptions for higher rankings. Your video's description is a key part of how high it ranks in YouTube, Google, and AI suggestions. Enter a keyword or previous description to optimize it into one that will rank far easier. Uncover the best hashtags. Hashtags help new viewers find your video far faster, especially on TikTok and Instagram. Now you can use AI to tap into the hottest and best hashtags to include in your description for thousands more free views. Make high CTR thumbnails. Let AI make eye-popping, high CTR thumbnails for any social network that match your video's theme and style. Plus, even more features, like tutorials and 24/7 support, latest AI models, integrate multiple social accounts, background music library, and more. But that's not all. You're also getting FacelessReel, a second powerful channel builder app that creates and automates AI channels with different style videos and features than MagicFlixAI does for great variation. FacelessReel lets you create AI animated story-based videos, AI-powered talking head avatar videos, has AI voice cloning, auto scheduling and posting to multiple platforms, and more features, picking up where MagicFlixAI left off to give you everything you need to create amazing channels in whatever way you want. To use FacelessReel, first, generate a video script in seconds. Choose what type of video you want to make and how it will be created. There's no need to brainstorm ideas or write scripts manually. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Enter keywords and descriptions to make your video script and customize the script by adding tone, length, or style perfect for any niche. Then, choose your AI avatar, voice, and video format. Select from ultra-realistic AI talking head avatars if desired, or use animated templates. Pick from tons of realistic AI-generated voices, or clone your own. Customize video elements like backgrounds, text overlays, and motion effects for a unique touch. Finally, generate and auto-publish your video everywhere. Instantly generate a fully formatted, ready-to-publish video, no editing required. Auto-schedule and publish directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Keep your content pipeline full by batch creating and scheduling videos in advance. Also, with ChannelBuilderAI, you'll get step-by-step channel creation on how to set up and scale successful video channels like YouTube. So everything is here for anyone, regardless of experience, to have success with this ultimate 3-in-1 suite. Plus, as a special bonus today, you're getting the commercial licensing and technology to sell MagicFlix and FacelessReel videos and campaigns to clients for any price you want. There are companies easily paying $3,000 to $10,000 per video either app can easily make. Plus, you can charge monthly fees for video subscriptions or traffic campaigns, which can be done automatically through the app. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Plus, FacelessReel and MagicFlix will soon be sold for monthly subscriptions separately, and this special 3-for-1 deal will end. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only super low fee today. And if you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity and ChannelBuilderAI is super easy to get results after trying, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. If you try out ChannelBuilderAI and can't get any leads or sales, just let us know and you'll get a full refund. Yep, you're entitled to a 14-day money-back guarantee if you can't get ChannelBuilderAI to succeed right out of the gate. Regardless of what you do today on this page, you will have to make a decision soon. Faceless videos are the future of marketing. Increasingly smart AI will make better videos than humans, and 100 times faster and easier, pumping out tons of channels at the same time it takes old-school guys to make one video. If you leave this page, you're accepting that you'll have to keep making videos the long, hard, and boring way, by hand, one by one, or pay thousands for many AI app subscriptions to make your channels grow. Or just let ChannelBuilderAI quickly and effortlessly produce videos that compete with the big faceless videos on the internet today, and press the Buy Now button below. Whether you're starting a business or want to take your traffic and income to the next level, ChannelBuilderAI will save you months of work, thousands of dollars, and help you succeed much, much faster. Go ahead, press the Buy Now button below to secure your ChannelBuilderAI license before the price increases and avoid missing out.